So I've been observing and just sitting with the cedars this weekend, and their energy is just incredible. It's very spiritual, and you feel the strength that they have. And I feel that's really helpful to know that we can weather this storm too if we're deeply rooted. If we're deeply rooted like the trees, we too can be strong.
Very warm welcome to you all for joining me in this amazing sacred space. I really just am speechless to be surrounded by these giant trees. There's cedar, there's Douglas fir, there's ancient maples as well. Now I know some of you won't be anywhere near cedars or Douglas fir, but you can use any tree for your students and for your own explorations. So we're going to begin by getting to know the trees, okay? Or you can just choose an individual one. So it's finding the right tree. Which one is talking to you? Now I'm going to take a walk around and see which one I feel is speaking to me. So I'm just taking time to just really experience them, soak up their energy, and go and touch a few. I feel really connected to this one. This is beautiful. Also really love this. I love them all, okay? But it's which one am I going to really get to know so that I can start drawing it and sketching it. This is beautiful. Oh, there's a squirrel. He's enjoying the trees too. This one here, I just love the fact that you can see the strength of it pushing up from underneath, pushing right up to get to the light, to get to that sunshine that we all love, to help it grow. So I think I'm going to start drawing this one. I think I'll start drawing this one, but I need to get to know it a bit more. So what we do is we want to touch and feel and smell and just allow ourselves to feel that energy of the tree. So we need to spend some time with it. A meditation is a really useful way to do that. So just snuggling into this beautiful being. Oh my goodness. Woo! It's just ginormous. I just want to let go and I want to touch this being. I'm going to close my eyes, and I'd like you to do the same when you find your tree, just to close your eyes and breathe in slowly and just let go and just be there with the tree. So we need to get our shoes off to really connect. And we can feel really grounded like the tree. Their roots go for miles. So our toes are going to be our roots, okay? So wiggle them about. So we're going to stand with our feet apart and we're going to wiggle them about. These are our roots. So we want to feel grounded, rooted, deeply rooted. So that just feels so good already, just being barefoot. So there are roots. And we're going to reach up our branches, our arms, whoa, right to the sky, right to the top, as high as we can, reaching as high as we can to get that sunshine. And then we're going to let them drop a little bit. So now we're this tree and we have these beautiful branches. Imagine if a bird landed on your branch and it sang the most beautiful song. And it was singing, and the song just made you feel so calm and peaceful and brought so much joy. And then more birds arrived, and so there's this beautiful music going on around you. Now imagine there is a gentle breeze. Well, we're going to sway gently in the breeze with our arms, our branches. We're swaying so beautifully. But imagine if there was this wild storm. Oh my goodness, we'd be going like this. So move around like we're in a big storm. Oh my goodness, but you know what? We don't fall over, we don't break. We're strong and grounded like the tree. We're deeply rooted. And we can bring that to our lives today, where we have so much stress and anxiety. We need to ground ourselves. We need to find this strength, this inner strength, so we can be like the tree, strong. So now breathing in, I am the tree. Breathing out, I am strong and grounded. Can you feel that? Breathing in, I am the tree. Breathing out, I am strong and grounded. That's really powerful, and that's a great thing to do with your students. So the other meditation is just a very simple one with the sunshine. And we all need the sunshine to grow, especially the trees, and so do we. So breathing in, I am the sunshine. Breathing out, I am warm and glowing. Again, breathing in, I am the sunshine. Breathing out, I am warm and glowing. And you can get the children to make this big circle of the sunshine. They are the sunshine. We are the sunshine, warm and glowing. We are the trees. We are strong and grounded.